Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to view a full-sized profile photo for anybody on Instagram. So let's say that I've got this account in front of me of Cristiano Ronaldo, a very famous footballer. If I go to his profile, here I could see this profile picture, this little circle at the top, but I could not exactly view the whole profile picture in full size. So if I want to do that, what I would do is I would just go to any browser which I use. Let's say Google Chrome in here. I would just select Google Chrome, and in here I would just go to this website. I've already opened it to save time. The URL is instadp.com, instadp.com, and in here I would search the username. Now it is necessary that I know the username, the exact Instagram username of the person whose profile picture I want to view. And once I know that, I would just type in here, and I would type the username exactly without any spelling errors. So I know that in this case it is Cristiano. I would type in the exact name without any spelling errors. Now I would click on this little search icon, and the whole website would require me to just complete a security check, which I could do very quickly if if I've got a good internet connection. Okay, once this check has been completed, it would open the whole profile for me. I would now just scroll down through this profile. If I like to see any information, any statistics, to view the photo, I would click on full size. This option is the second one from the left. I would just select this, and as you could see, this is the actual profile picture which Cristiano Ronaldo is using for his official Instagram account. Now if I want to download this, I could select this option, download, and this picture would be downloaded on my phone as well. And this is how you could just type in any username and view the full profile picture. You just need to go to this website, instadp.com. So this is how you can view the full profile photo for any Instagram user.